my mom filmed me making my keto egg breakfast dish from on top, so you can see all the angles of the dish. First, you're going to need some pepperoni. You're going to need to first put it on the bottom, stay there. Put it on the sides. There's one. There's two. 3. And you're gonna wanna push them into each other so they don't go everywhere. Now I'm just gonna need one more and then this part is done. And here goes the last one. And now we're just gonna need a little cheese, cheddar cheese. About like this much. That will be good. And now we are going to crack an egg. So we're gonna crack the egg. We're gonna split it in there. And now we're going to put our spices on. First, we're going to put some salt. Just a tinsy-wincy salt. That's good. Here's some pepper. Then add some cayenne pepper. That's it. Keep making them until you have the amount that you want. Yeet. Now I have all of my keto egg breakfast dishes done. Now you have to wash your hands because you touched raw eggs. Now I'm gonna wash my hands. So let's do that. Wash hands. Now I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Now we're going to put the keto egg breakfast dishes in the oven. Now they need to bake for 18 minutes. Now I'm gonna cut it. Whoa. That's more like it. That's what the egg looks like. Looks scrumdiliouscious. If you liked my baking video, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Never miss out on any more King Jippy videos.